This video, I'm going to teach you how to use Minimax audio. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to minimax.io/audio. Now you can input right here text-to-speech or music creation. So we can also choose right here the model that you want, which is 2.5 or 2.0. Input right here your song description. So let's make it into a love song about second chances. You can also choose right here the actual theme, which is jazz, blues, and electronic. I'll just right here blues, and then it will generate right here this music. So this is just an example. Head over and click on create. Then after that, you can input right here your own lyrics, or you can type view to see the lyrics structure. You can also choose right here the style. Click onto this create option right here. And then you will be prompted to sign in. So once you're done signing in, you should be able to find right here your music creation really generated under the app. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.